Hi there. I'm Eric with Donic Technologies. So we just had a discussion about robotics and what the state of the industry is and where things are going. One of the discussions that I had afterwards was about the ease of replacement of people in manufacturing processes with robots. For one, I think it was pointed out in our panel that for every robot that's placed, it actually creates 4 jobs. So I think that's a positive for that. Specific to the question about how easy it is to replace a human in a particular process, I think that part is getting a lot easier as we get to the point where you can add more and more sensing technology to the environment and people understand how things are changing and those exceptions that you have from how a part is manufactured or machined or whatever the case may be. That sort of feedback can be brought in, and you can use machine learning and AI to compensate and make those exception-based rules or decisions to be able to get to that sort of point. So.